This is nothing trying to burp her out. We have no Sprite left, so. Sponsored by the Rooka kids. She's taking the first step. A lady. The bubbles.
Oh, no.
Oh, she's blushing.
Funny.
She's been sick all the pressure. Got my nose. Up the nose.
Wait, it's coming up. It's not coming out. Is it coming out? It's not coming out.
Sick.
Feel desperate.
Are you ready to spit out something really gross? Yes. Yes.
Something's coming out of me. Oh, oh, oh. It's okay. I just wanted to say that I love you so much. Ooh, a bit then. Ooh. Some more came out. I'm pregnant with baby popcorn. I don't know. I can't find any.
No, wait, I've got the penny.
I got some popcorn.
Oh, no.
Stupid.
Is it a bird? No, it's a plate. It's a funny. It's almost time up, my love. Quick.
I wanted to say goodbye. Oh.
My baby!
No!
That's,
Mashed potatoes! No!
That's Robert Hank Jr.
Cheeseburger! I like
Benny Vicar.
Baby cat!